So if you're looking to build a referral partner that you got a warm connection to at this point, but maybe they haven't sent you anything, what practices and systems are you putting in place to try to make that a regular referral?
Okay. Now there's two types that I love. Are we talking client referrals, like former client referrals? Or are we talking attorney referrals?
I'm talking attorney or business referrals right
Okay.
now. Yeah. And then
Okay.
we'll segue a little bit into the client referrals.
Okay. So if I am talking about a system for attorney referrals, one of the things that we've done at Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers is what we call next four, right? And so I'm a numbers dork. I'm a data dork. And I think that I know that numbers should help us make decisions. So we will look at a list of attorneys that used to refer us or that have the capability to refer. So maybe they just open up their own shop, or maybe they really do family law and they might get some injury calls and they don't really do that. They need to send it to us. So I send around a list to attorneys and I tell them to highlight 4 attorneys. Okay. These 4 attorneys will be the attorneys that I'm trying to not say the word attorney so much, that attorney, our internal attorney, will reach out to throughout the year. Right. So today you're an attorney. You have these 4 attorneys, these 4 external attorneys that you keep up with throughout the year. And I tried to make it as easy as possible. So Q1, hey, Al, you reach out. I don't care if it's lunch. I don't care if it's a text message, right? It can be anything in between. You reach out, okay? The marketing department does something. So we've done March Madness gifts. So we'll find their next four's undergrad school and send them a glass or something and say, hey, happy March Madness. Q3, you reach out again. Q4, maybe we have a minor league hockey team. We send out an email and say, hey, look, would love to meet you at an Admirals game or whatever it is. Whatever happens, it's all set up the December before the next year so that there is something in place. And then when they do refer, right? Whether it's an intake or a case, that's another thing. People get so hung up on the case will come.
Mm-hmm.
You have to teach them how to refer to you. But when they start sending in intakes or cases, there's a system for that. There's a gifting system for that. There's a system for how often we keep in touch with them. All of those pieces, because people think of the system as just like, oh yeah, I have to meet you and then you got to send me a case and I'm going to say thank you. No, you have to treat them almost like a part of the client, right? Are you keeping them updated with what's taking place in the case? Are you calling them every now and again and say, hey man, look, we're going to go ahead and take this thing to trial. This is why. They're vested, right? They're invested. So I think
So the attorneys are a part of the process, which I love. That when I was in house, I deliberately made them part of the reviews process because there was more. We have a bunch of attorneys, and they can do more. When you put more people on it, they could do a half-assed job at it and still do better than one person trying to do it nonstop all the time. Or at least that was my theory with it. Do the attorneys get any type of incentives from if the referrals are coming from the people that they are most often in contact with?
No.
Okay.
I mean, that gets into how your attorneys are paid, right? Because a lot of times, if again, Al is the attorney, I'm the attorney friend, and I refer the case, Al, you may want to work the case. You may decide, hey, I'm going to go ahead and work the case. And what we know to be true at Cooper Hurley Injury Lawyers, attorney referred cases are bigger cases, right? So yes, in a sense, but no,
And
it's part of their job.